Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a medium level question that I just resolved on my own after about a year. So I'm super happy about this and I'm very glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance after about a year. So you can see I first solved it November 26, 2024, and I just redid it by myself about 5 minutes ago. So let's do it again. This is number 2375, construct smallest number from DI string. So basically you can see you're given this pattern, which basically means increasing or decreasing in terms of the order. And so we're going to want to return some kind of an ordering from the digits 1 through the length of this plus 2, just from the pattern, because this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so it's going to be 9 plus 2 is for the index, and here 4, so 3 plus 1 is 4. So let's just go ahead and create our options. So range 1, length of pattern plus 2. Let's print that. So we're going to want to return some kind of a permutation of this, right? So let's go ahead and do that. And let's use the permutations module for options, right? And this only works because the constraints are really, really small. The biggest it could be is of size 8. So now let's go ahead and see if it satisfies this criteria. If it does, then we're going to find the smallest one that does. So let's go ahead and make a sorted list. And let's make a flag. So for I in range 1, length of P. So let's call this J. So if pattern of J, right? So if pattern of J is equal to I, and if P of J is less than or equal to P of J minus 1, then flag equals false. So we're already violating the condition, so it's not valid. Likewise, if it says we're supposed to be decreasing and we're not really decreasing, so it's bigger than or equal to, same thing, flag equals false, and break. So at the end here, if flag is still true, then we can print P. That's going to be one possible solution. Okay, so pattern, okay, notice that pattern is 1 less in terms of length, right? So let's say pattern J minus 1. Okay, so now let's go ahead and say now, because one of these is going to be the answer. And these are integers, so we can't just join them. So let's go ahead and add string of C and then add to our answer now. So this is a string now, right? So now we can just go ahead and return answer of 0 because this is already a sorted list, and that's going to give us the smallest valid result, right? As a string, lexicographical order, right? So that's the other reason we're using now. Okay, let's run this. Okay, submit it. And there you go. Passes all test cases. So again, I'm super happy that I was able to solve this question completely on my own without any help after about a year. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.